you got here?
Great full run. I'm excited.
Right. Yes, sir.
Already having a great time.
Yeah.
Beaver Lake got the big one on this monster. That's the game. That's what we came for. First fish of the day. Insane. Insane. 2 fish back to back. Amazing. Look at the size of that cat. Beaver Lake, Arkansas.
Up, this way. This way. All right. Fish here. Fish here. What do you think, Jerry?
Insane.
Insane, he
Yeah,
said.
eat it.
Come on. Those are all keepers. Another keeper. Jerry, what did we do? What did we do?
It's a big spot.